The internet has transformed everything. It's revolutionized the way we live, work, and play. We connect, learn, and now earn all online. The digital age has unlocked endless possibilities for everyone. It's 2025. The opportunity to make money online isn't just knocking, it's breaking down the door. The digital economy is booming like never before. Forget the old 9-to-5 grind. You can build a career, a business, a life you love, all from your laptop. Imagine working from anywhere in the world on your own terms. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, the internet is your oyster. The flexibility and freedom it offers are unparalleled. There's a place for everyone. No matter your background, skills, or interests, there's an online opportunity waiting for you. But here's the catch. You need hustle. You need passion. Success online doesn't come overnight. It requires dedication and hard work, and you need to be willing to put in the work. Consistency and perseverance are key to making it in the digital world. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. With the right mindset and tools, you can achieve your goals. We're going to break it down together. From freelancing to e-commerce, we'll cover the essentials you need to get started. From content creation to digital products, the opportunities are vast and varied. We'll explore the hottest ways to make money online in 2025. Stay tuned as we dive into each method in detail. Are you ready to unlock your online earning potential? Let's go. The future of work is here, and it's online. What are you good at? Writing, graphic design, coding? Whatever your skill set, there's someone out there willing to pay for it. That's the beauty of freelancing. You're your own boss. You set your rates. You choose your clients. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are bustling marketplaces where freelancers connect with clients worldwide. Create a compelling profile, showcase your best work, and start bidding on projects that excite you. Remember, communication is key. Respond to messages promptly, be professional, and over-deliver on your promises. Build a strong reputation and watch the positive reviews roll in. The freelance world is competitive, but with hard work, dedication, and a dash of hustle, you can build a successful career on your own terms. Ever dreamed of running your own store without the hassle of inventory? That's dropshipping in a nutshell. You sell products online, the supplier handles storage and shipping. You keep the profit. E-commerce is booming, and dropshipping offers a low-risk entry point. Platforms like Shopify make setting up your online store a breeze. But here's the secret sauce. Finding the right products and marketing them effectively, research trending products, target a specific niche, and leverage the power of social media marketing to reach your ideal customers. It takes work, but the rewards can be substantial. With the right product and a smart marketing strategy, you can build a thriving online retail business. Have a loyal online following? If you have a dedicated audience that hangs on to your every word, you already have a head start. Passionate about certain products or services? Do you find yourself naturally recommending your favorite items to friends and family? Affiliate marketing could be your golden ticket. It's a way to turn your passion into profit. Simply put, you promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique referral link. It's a win-win situation for both you and the product owner. The key to affiliate marketing success is authenticity. Your audience can tell when you're being genuine. Choose products that you genuinely believe in and resonate with your audience. Your enthusiasm will shine through and make your recommendations more compelling. Don't try to sell ice to Eskimos. In other words, don't promote products that don't fit your niche or audience. Build trust with your followers by providing valuable content, honest reviews, and helpful recommendations. Your credibility is your most valuable asset. When people trust your judgment, they're more likely to make a purchase based on your recommendation. Trust is the foundation of successful affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a long game. It's not about quick wins, but about building a sustainable income over time. It takes time to build an audience and gain their trust. Consistency and patience are key, but with patience, persistence, and a commitment to authenticity, you can generate a passive income stream while promoting products you love. The rewards are worth the effort. Section 5. Content creation, sharing your passion with the world. Are you a natural storyteller? Do you love sharing your thoughts and ideas with the world? Content creation could be your calling. From blogs to podcasts, from YouTube channels to social media, there are countless platforms to share your passion and get paid for it. The secret? Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Entertain, educate, inspire, Find your niche, be consistent, and engage with your followers. Monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or by selling your own products or services. It takes time to build an audience and generate revenue, but with passion, consistency, and a little bit of hustle, you can turn your creative passion into a profitable online career. Section 6. Digital products creating value, selling expertise. What are you an expert in? Can you teach others valuable skills? Digital products like online courses, ebooks, and templates are an incredible way to package your knowledge and sell it online. Platforms like Teachable and Gumroad make it easy to create and sell your digital products. The best part? Once created, your product can generate passive income for years to come. Invest time in creating high-quality content that solves a specific problem or teaches a valuable skill. Market your product to your target audience and leverage the power of social media and email marketing to drive sales. Creating digital products takes effort up front, but the potential for passive income and reaching a global audience is limitless. Section 7. Virtual assistants and online jobs, the new face of work. The traditional office is evolving. More and more companies are embracing remote work, creating a surge in demand for virtual assistants and other online professionals. From administrative tasks to social media management, from customer service to web development, there's a wide range of online jobs available. Platforms like Indeed and LinkedIn are great resources for finding remote positions. The key to success in the online job market is to highlight your skills, tailor your resume and cover letter to each specific job description, and ace the interview. Online jobs offer flexibility, work-life balance, and the opportunity to work from anywhere in the world. It's a win-win. Section 8. Tools of the trade, resources for online success. Navigating the online world can feel overwhelming, especially with the sheer number of tools and platforms available. But fear not. Countless tools and resources are available to help you succeed. With the right guidance, you can turn this challenge into an opportunity. For project management, try Asana or Trello. These platforms help you organize tasks, set deadlines, and collaborate with team members seamlessly. For social media scheduling, Hootsuite and Buffer are your friends. They allow you to plan and automate your posts, saving you valuable time. Canva makes graphic design a breeze, even for beginners. With its user-friendly interface and vast library of templates, you can create stunning visuals in no time. And don't forget the power of online courses and communities. These platforms offer a wealth of knowledge and support. Platforms like Skillshare and Udemy offer courses on everything from digital marketing to web development. Whether you're looking to learn a new skill or deepen your expertise, these resources have you covered. Join online communities to connect with like-minded individuals, share ideas, and get support along the way. These networks can be invaluable for both personal and professional growth. Remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Utilize pre-made templates and proven strategies to jumpstart your projects. Leverage the power of these tools and resources to streamline your workflow, enhance your productivity, and ultimately, boost your online earnings. With the right approach, the digital world is full of opportunities waiting to be seized. Section 9. Dedication and consistency, the keys to online income. Here's the hard truth. There's no magic bullet to online success. It takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. You won't get rich quick. But with the right mindset and consistent effort, you can achieve your online earning goals. Treat your online endeavors like a business, not a hobby. Set realistic goals, create a schedule, and stick to it. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But it's during these times that your resilience and determination will be tested. Remember your why. Why did you start this journey in the first place? Let your passion fuel your fire and keep pushing forward even when it gets tough. Section 10. Embracing the journey, challenges, and rewards. The online world is constantly evolving. What works today might not work tomorrow. Embrace the challenge. Be adaptable, stay curious, and never stop learning. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to pivot when necessary. The most successful online entrepreneurs are those who are willing to adapt to change and embrace the unknown. And remember to celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Every milestone, every achievement is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Take the time to acknowledge your progress and give yourself credit for how far you've come. Section 11. Start today. Your online earning adventure awaits. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Stop dreaming about making money online and start taking action. Choose a path that excites you, set realistic goals, and commit to the journey. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. The online world is your oyster. Go out there and make it your own. I believe in you.